Hey you, it's Jess here and it's so nice to see you. Today we have a quick little video of going over my March kit lineup. I know, I'm so behind, but we're getting there. We're up to March now. And I do have my kits all picked out and I'm ready to go over with them with you. I will say here, you can see on my sidebar, I've started saving the date dots from the newer SBC kits because I am bringing in a bunch of older kits here and there. And I'm kind of want to use these date dots for the full year. So I have been keeping all the colors so far so I can pair them off with other spreads. So that's why they're there. So when I choose kits and stuff, it's easy to pick some date dots that go with it. But let's start with March 2nd through March 8th. And I'm using Scribble Prints Co. Pastel Pokemon, which is an older kit. So I think I'll have to pick out some numbers. I'm pretty sure. Yes, because it has the weekend banner. But this is the Pokemon art in the pastel lavender colorway. So cute. And this was the week that Pokopia came out. And I did get a Switch 2 in preparation. It was on sale, so it kind of worked out well. Got all the extras here. This might have been in when I was considering putting in my other planner that I was having at the time, but just have those for no reason now. I'm going to use it as a normal kit. But yeah, I decided I just wanted to do, there's the bright colorful version and then this pastel version, and I just kind of wanted to use the pastel version. I don't know, because I was liking the vibes, especially for March. You still have this pop of green in there. But yeah, so this is to mark Pokopia coming out, and they'll be perfect for that. In fact, I have all of these Pokemon in the game, so that's really fun. And then I am pairing it off with this lavender foil and lavender hollow and hollow foil mixed metal, because yeah, I thought that would look really great just mixed together. Got some hollow, got the sort of pinkier lavender color, and I thought those would pair really well together. Simple, but goes with the kit. So March 9th through the March 15th, this is the week that One Piece Season 2 came out, so I finally get to use my One Piece art. I've been saving this since the first season. I just didn't want to use it yet until the second season came out. So I'm finally using it. Scribble Prints Co. sales a set, and it's based off the first season, but it still works perfectly. So yeah, this is like the One Piece art that I did. I do have these other colors here in case I want to bring those in. But I think I'm feeling the green and the beige. And you have like the characters here as well. So cute. We have the toolbox of Zoro. Zoro? Yeah. Anyway. But yeah, so I'm very excited to finally use this kit because I've been holding on to it. I did a lot of fun painterly stuff with the papers this time. And I have all of this themed foil that I have from previously. It's all gold hollow. So I do have a gold hollow foil bundle in confetti as my base. And then I have some pieces from Planner Choco. I have this pirate deco. I have these pirate hull reinforcers, although I'm not using them this year. I just don't think the OkPlans needs hull reinforcers. It's pretty thick paper. We have some pirate full box overlays. And then I have some stuff from Planner Hannah. She made this sheet herself here, which has some quotes from One Piece Season 1. Just some little stuff there. And then I think I got this custom to have the logo on the bottom, but also have the text, I'm Monkey D. Luffy, I'm going to become king of the pirates. So yeah, I got that custom because she had the washi with the icon out, but I kind of wanted the text as well, so I got that custom made, and I'm super excited to finally use this. Season 2 is honestly even better. I highly recommend it if you want fun fantasy pirates. It's so good. And they're already filming Season 3, which should be out the same time next year. So yeah, it should be going to yearly now because I think it took a long time previously because of all the strikes and stuff, but yeah, so I'm really excited for more One Piece. And then March 16th to March 22, I'm using Seoul. This was a travel collection that I did for South Korea. And I'm not obviously, I didn't go to South Korea or Seoul at this time. And even though it's a travel set, I just was really feeling these sort of early spring vibes. Because March is the start of spring. So I wanted to have just a cute springy set from my collection. I don't see myself traveling there for a very long time. So years and years and years. So it's just not possible for me right now with my cat needing daily medications and stuff. So, you know, I can travel in my planner, which would be nice. But I thought it was just a really pretty spring set, and I was really excited to use some more of my newer art and then that I've just never used. And then I'm just going to pair this with a silver. Oh wait, this is a mixed metals, silver and sparkly hollow. You can see there. So the hollow is sparkly and you got the silver. And I think that'll look really pretty and give it just some dimension, really sparkle, even though it's a simple foil overall. Then I think this is going to be considered the last week of March, which is March 23rd to 29th. And I'm using Spring Folk. I think this is before Easter. I can't remember. Yeah, Easter was around Locke's birthday, but that was Locke's birthday. So I'm just going to use this kit earlier, and it's both an Easter and a spring kit. So I'm going to use it for spring reasons. This was like, yeah, my spring Easter art this year. I'm so excited to use this. I do love the way it came out. Colors are so pretty, and again, perfect for March too with that green. And then you have the geese. I love it. So cute. So I'm so excited to use this kit. And I'm pairing it with a rose gold foil bundle from SPC. Just another simple confetti. And you have a little sneak peek of April there. But that is everything I have for March. We're starting the spring vibes. And then we also have Pocopia and One Piece. So a nice little mix of representing stuff that happened in the weeks. And then also just going a little bit seasonal. But let me know what you thought. Did we twin for March? Did you get Pocopia? Did you watch One Piece? Let me know. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Maybe leave an emoji down below of like a cherry blossom for Seoul. Cherry blossom emojis in the comments down below. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, we'll have these Plan With Me's coming up very soon. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye-bye.